guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys if you have any serpentine belts or pulleys that are making noise in your 99-204 Mustang 4.6. This is the kit that I'm going to be using today. So you can get this from Rock Auto actually. This is the part number here. It's a Gates kit, runs about $70, maybe $75 with shipping. And pretty much has everything that you would need. So it has a new belt, Gates belt. It has a brand new tensioner. It has both of the idler pulleys that the vehicle takes. So it's all in one kit, comes all together. Gates is good manufacturer, so you know I definitely recommend this. And it's not that expensive. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna install this in a 2001 Mustang today. Alright, this will be pretty straightforward. So you got a 10mm bolt holding on the belt tensioner, 13 for that top pulley and another 13 for that next pulley there, and then just remember the routing for the belt. It should have a diagram somewhere in the car here. Actually it's missing on this one, but I'm just gonna kind of remember how that was. If not, you know, take a picture and look at it later. So we'll go ahead and get started. First things first, we'll get the tension off the belt here. So you just have to put your hex of your ratchet in there, pull it back, and then easiest is to pull it off one of these smooth pulleys here, or the alternator one here, and then just let it go back. Alright, so here's the old belt. You know, it's got a really big hole here all the way through. I don't see any numbers or anything, but it's really cracked. I'm not sure if you can see it up close here, but you know, it's pretty cracked all the way through, and it's got that hole there. So that was pretty close to being done for. Gonna get started with the 10mm here. And take this bolt out. Obviously you don't have to buy everything. You know, you can check the pulleys. Like this tensioner, it's okay. But like I said, if you get this kit from Rock Auto, if you go locally and buy your belt and just one of the pulleys, you'll probably end up spending what I'd spend on this whole kit. And you get everything together. So you know, you can make a call what would work best for you. So 13mm on this one, and then also turn your other pulleys while you're here, just to, you know, make sure your alternator's not bad. This one I can hear a little bit of a noise in there. This one, there's a slight noise on it as well. Not too bad, but you gotta remember when it has tension from the belt, it'll probably get louder. So this car had a chirp on it. It kind of went away because it looks like the previous owner had sprayed a bunch of belt dressing on there, so some of that lubricant probably got in the bearing and made it quieter, but overall I needed get those pulleys replaced. So make sure you line up your little locking tab on your tensioner with the hole here. There's only one way it would go on, so and finally, let's get this belt on there. And like I said before, just take a picture of how the belt was routed if you don't have a diagram here on the under the hood. Most vehicles do have the diagram, but as you can see, like this one, it was gone, so you know, just keep an eye on it. So I got everything in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put my ratchet in here, pull it back, put it around the alternator here. So that's pretty much it. Very straightforward. I'm just gonna start and make sure everything's good. Quiet as it could be, so it's good to go. If you're working on someone's car, you know, always kind of keep an eye on things. Like I saw this clamp here on the intake, and don't lose your tools in the car too. This is loose, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up for them. You don't want no dirt getting in the engine through there. Everything looks good. And then one last thing that I usually will do, I'm gonna spray some degreaser, just get some of that extra grease off, and then just rinse it off real quick. But that's pretty much it. Again, if you guys have any comments, any questions, leave them down below. But that's pretty straightforward, how to, you know, replace your belt, your pulleys, your tensioner on your Mustang in a good affordable way if you order parts online. Consider subscribing to the channel. See you guys in the next one.